Hey guys, this is Ruby Ali Khan, and today I thought I would share something with you that really got me thinking, and it actually made me laugh and reflect, and I continue to think about it. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I'm sitting down having a first couple of sips of my morning coffee, and I get this very strange phone call. Now, what's even stranger is that this call comes from a very recognizable real estate company, and so I'm thinking it's someone calling me regarding one of my listings, and so I answer the call, and the call goes something like this. Hey, Rui, this is so-and-so calling me from ABC Realty, and I'm calling you regarding your listing on 123 Main Street. I'm calling because I heard that your clients would accept the yen. What? Why would my clients accept the yen? So I try to not be too judgy, and I just continue to listen to him. And he proceeds to say, well, are your clients Korean? Wait, what does that have to do with my clients being Korean? And so I said, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm not going to tell you the nationality of my clients. And he said, and then I think he kind of listened to himself, and he starts laughing, and he goes, you know what? Yeah, I know. It sounds funny, right? And I'm thinking, yeah, it sounds actually crazy. And I start saying, you know, I've been in the business 30 years, and I stop myself immediately because I'm like, you know what? I don't need to lecture him. The property's in the United States. Why would my clients accept the yen? How would that work? It was just the most bizarre conversation. And honestly, this is something that if you're planning on getting into this business, you better be ready for.